Your smartphone, a wonder of engineering and design. It enables you to do amazing things, but it can't let you talk to your appliances. Until now. Introducing Carrier Smart+Cool, the revolutionary smart cooling system from the most trusted brand in air conditioning. Download the free app and pair with a smart plug that comes with a Carrier air conditioner. With your phone, you can now take control of your electricity bill. Monitor your aircon's power consumption. Schedule when you want it to run. Plus enjoy total convenience. Turn the aircon off and on from anywhere and chat real-time with a customer service representative for any assistance. Experience easy home management for more quality time with the family. Carrier Smart+Cool.